What's up, everybody? Mr. Klausner here. Just going to go through today's agenda. It's February 17th. This will be for Thursday and Friday, the 17th and 18th. So we're going to enter, do the prayer, and then we're going to start with the 10 things activity and slash card, and I'll talk about that. And then the Hale Low-E project math, and it's also in Google Classroom is the second thing. And that takes a good chunk of time, so there's a lot of work to do in there. Then we'll do a brain break, either stretching or play a quick game. Worksheets on integers. I don't normally make you do worksheets, but we are doing integer worksheets today. So 60 questions of integers. Whew, it's a lot, but you can do it. And then I'm giving everyone time to finish their mind maps, which are going to be due tomorrow, Friday. So that's that, dismissal and cleanup. So the 10 thing activity is you're just going to find a little piece of paper, and I'll give it out to those in class, and you're just going to write on the front side, you're going to write 5 things that you're good at, or 5 things about your character. So you can say kind, I'm a good basketball player, anything like that, and just 5 of those. And then on the back side, you're going to write 5 things you want to improve on. So this could be, I want to get better at jumping, or I want to improve in mathematics. So that's a short activity. If you finish that early, then you can write a card to somebody you care about. Mr. Klausner just needs to write some cards to friends and family. So I think it's a good activity and a healthy thing to do for you in your life. Next is the Hale construction activity. So last year I had this as like a maker space, but we won't be doing that this year because of coronavirus. So you're going to read through all this and here are the standards and the objectives. And we're going to learn a little bit more about building and constructing a Hale, a Hawaiian settlement. So here are the directions. You're going to use the math to solve these problems. As you can see, we've got PEMDAS there. We've got conversions from inches to yards, all that. This is one of my favorite slides that I actually made. Oops, oh no. Okay, so you're going to read the questions there and check out this whole coordinate plane. So you can see 0, 0 right in the middle, the origin, and then you can see on the left the legend. So these are palm trees. We have Ulu, the Hale construction site, the fish pond, the freshwater stream, and then the Low-E, which is the Kalo or taro patch. So you can see a picture of that. And then you're going to go down to this, and this is the questions that go with the one above. So you're going to answer all these, complete those. Here's the exhibit of the floor plan for a Hale. You can see the post there in the inner part. In order to cover the floor with hollow mat, what is the area? So you got to do a lot of geometry to find that. Oh, and it looks like it just bumped down a little bit, but you can see that. And then there's more of the hollow mat. And then we also know about the Hawaiian measurement system. So you're going to use this chart here and check out that and answer these 3 questions. And then the makerspace directions, you can create a Hale blueprint or replica of the coordinate plane from step 2. So I'm just going to give some students an opportunity to do that, although not as much time as last year. And we're not going to be working in a group like we did last year because of the social distancing. Okay, when you finish that, we'll do a brain break. And then after that, we'll do these 2 pages of integer worksheets, although there'll be one class that has a couple more. So 60 problems, 9 minus 6 is the first one, so positive 3 there. So I just did one of them for you. You can jump through there, but it's going to take you a little bit of time. So please email me this if you're online and in class. We'll do it in class. Lastly, we'll finish the mind map that we started this week on our math mind map. So talking about operations and geometry and integers and all that good stuff. Okay, cleanup and dismissal, and I will see you. Great to see some of you online. I'm going to set up another meeting for all the online learners next Wednesday. So watch your inboxes for that. And today's secret word is cup, C-U-P. Bye.